Google just released a game-changing IR tool that's about to transform how you create. Here's everything you need to know to master it today. Google's AI Creative Studio is a free, web-based platform combining multiple AI models for seamless creative workflows. It's designed specifically for artists and designers, offering intuitive prompt-to-art generation. Unlike scattered tools, it centralizes your entire creative process from ideation to refinement, all in one dashboard. Perfect for experimenting with styles, compositions, and concepts without switching platforms. Create Flow is the studio's cornerstone feature. Start by describing your vision in natural language. The AI generates multiple variations instantly, then iterate, refine prompts, adjust parameters, and explore different artistic directions. What makes it powerful is real-time feedback. You see results immediately, letting creativity flow without technical barriers. Stack effects, combine styles, and push boundaries, all intuitive, all fast. Use specific art direction. Mention styles, mediums, lighting, and mood. Cyberpunk portrait with neon glow. Beats, cool portrait. Layer references combine two art movements for unique fusion. Experiment with aspect ratios and resolutions for different projects. Save your favorite generations and variations to build inspiration libraries. The more you prompt, the better you understand the AI's creative language. Use Create Flow for concept art, social media content, book illustrations, or design exploration. It's perfect for rapid prototyping ideas before full production. Designers accelerate project timelines. Artists overcome creative blocks. Marketers generate fresh visual. It's not replacing your skills. It's amplifying your creative potential and freeing you to focus on curation and refinement. Drop a comment sharing your first IR creation. Hit like to support more tutorials and subscribe for weekly creative IIDs. Sums knowledge.